Arcano Studios.
LTASC. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds can be short, like Janisco's pooping sound effect. Some sounds could be medium, like Roxana Lovely's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects can be long, like Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
And today's sound effect we're going to talk about is the pooping and farting sound effect from Yumi Farts, and the character is Irel Noella. The second to last episode of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series is the pooping and farting sound effect from Yumi Fart. It's from a video called Gacha Gassy. It was uploaded 6 months ago on March 9th. The duration of the sound effect from this video is 12 to 45. And, of course, the total seconds would be 33. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is only used for my OCs and characters when they poop in the toilet. Remember, kids, if you want to use this sound effect, use it in your videos. But be sure to give credit to Yumi Fart before using her sound effect. Also, I'm going to link this video right here and it will be in the description. The sound effect starts at 12 and ends at 45. Make sure you remove the cute music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the final episode.